Namaste, I am Dr. Naveen Chettupalli, General Pediatrician. Today, let's see the most important questions, let me say the common question we usually encounter in our day-to-day OPDs. Usually, mothers of 1 year and 2 year old asks us, what is the right time, doctor, I should potty train my child? Or let me say, when is my child ready to start potty training? So these are common questions we encounter in our day-to-day practice. And let us understand what is the right time, what are do's and don'ts in a potty training, which is very important actually, because that gives independence not just to the parents but also to the child. It gives a sense of independence and also grown-up sense, that is he or she will think that I am a grown-up child now, and that boosts their confidence also. It is very important to start potty training at the right time. You shouldn't be starting it too early so that the child becomes very fussy about it, or you shouldn't be waiting for it too long where the child might really take time to get adjusted to that. So if you understand the potty training, the exact age or the earliest stage is when the child can squat. So this usually, if you go to rural India or any rural sector in any country for that matter, we see the grannies making the grandchildren sit as soon as they're 7 to 8 months of age, because that is the time they start to squat. So ideally, if you see 7 to 8 months might be the right time, but that may not be true in every kid, because most of the kids may not be ready to squat by the time they are 7 to 8 months. So what we generally advise parents is, observe the child's readiness. There are some subtle signs where the child will tell you, I am ready for potty training. You need to be able to grasp those signs and then start the potty training. For example, the child starts to avoid all of us, goes to a corner and tries to poo or pee in his diaper. So that is the time, that is one of the important signs you should be identifying and realize, yes, my baby might be ready for potty training. The baby will also give signs like crossing her legs or crossing his legs and putting some faces like as if straining face, as if he or she is going for potty. That is another important sign. The child will try to communicate with you when he has soiled or when he is about to soil the diaper. He will come to you, he will try to communicate with you. The baby might also give you sign of pulling down the diaper or adjusting the diaper as soon as the child passes poo. So these are some important signs. If you think child is showing 2 or 3 of these signs, then that is the time actual. There is no age. If the child is doing it by the time of 10 months to 12 months, yes, the child is ready. If the child is doing these things after a year, maybe by 1.5 year age, you think you should realize that is the time you should start it. So ideally, anytime after first birthday, observe the child's behavior. If he or she is showing the signs of communicating with you that he or she has gone for potty, or the baby is about to go to potty, that is the time you should start considering a potty training. Sometimes they also copy going to toilet, sitting on a potty chair, they try doing that. If that is shown, then that is also a sign. So we usually advise parents to buy a potty chair, make the child sit on it and go around. Let it be a play toy. Don't bring a potty chair or else small baby sit on a potty, make them sit and ask them to go for a potty. No child does that. Remember, trust me. Every child will refuse or revolt if you do such sudden transition in their bowel habits. So you need to make them used to potty first, potty sitting first. So you bring a potty chair, make them sit, go around in that potty chair, make them feel safe and secure, get a connection with that. And then after a week or two, you try to take down the diaper. You know there is a regular time. Sometimes the child will go dry more than 4 hours. Overnight the child will not pass any poop. Or sometimes you identify, yes, daily this regular time, this time the child is passing stools. Yes, that is the time you try to tell the child or train the child for potty. So buy a potty chair, make the baby sit on it for a week or so. Make sure you are home for next 2-3 months, not much busy work, so that you can attend some mishappenings like baby pooping on the floor, pooping on some other important areas in the house. So give time to the child for a couple of days, train him, encourage him, don't get upset. If the baby is not ready, take a couple of weeks more time and then start again. This process usually can happen anywhere between 3 to 6 months, and finally the child will be ready for potty. Thank you.